Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Quick subscriber shout out. I want to give a shout out to Rome Guerrero, something like that. Shout out to the homie Rome, shout out to the homie Twa, shout out to Buddha Boy, and shout out to Angel for commenting on the last video. What's good with y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Today is another day, another vlog. I'm just ripping these vlogs straight off of the iPhone, so I'm bringing y'all along for the activities today. Right now, I'm on the way to get me some pineapple. Lately, I just been in this pineapple-y mood, getting ready for Hawaii next month. I'm on the way to get me a little pineapple right now. Oh, and before y'all comment, peep the hat. This is the hat that we made yesterday, the homie Wet Media and I. So we did the 4-paw. Where's the GTRs? GTR's on this side, and then we got his signature on this side. Hopefully y'all can see it, but we made this yesterday with our embroidery machine, so we're gonna be doing more drops very soon, just ironing out a couple kinks. All right, so I'm trying to find a ripe pineapple because I'm trying to eat this today. So I think you pull the leaves like this. If it comes out, it means that it's ripe. Some of them, see, oh, this one came out. Let's see this one. You know what? All of these might be right. So I'm gonna go with this one. Looks promising. Just got back home, and a couple vlogs ago, one of the Christmas vlogs, I mentioned that I was looking at getting a TV, and somebody commented asking, so did you get the TV? Well, here is the update. Here is my old TV right here. This was not a smart TV, so it had to be hooked up to something. So it was hooked up to an old PS4 whenever I want to watch Netflix and all that. So I went ahead and I got this one right here. And then this one fits the space so much better. It literally fits this area perfect. The old one was a little bit smaller, so it only fit like right there to right there. But this one's beautiful, and it's a Roku TV, so it's a smart TV, and it's connected to my sound bar right here. So that's one thing that changed. And then another thing that changed is 3, 2, 1. Bow! My couch. I finally got a freaking L couch in here. I basically use this kind of like as a shelf when I'm working, so I'll be sitting right here, put stuff over here, so that's why I have stuff right there. It's so much more cozy with an L couch in this. This is the way I have the setup right now. Got these Jordan 2s that I just did a review on for the main channel. But yeah, man, new couch, new TV, can't complain. If y'all are wondering how to cut a pineapple, this is the easiest way. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This checks if it's ripe, and then you go, ooh, that was smooth. So right here we got some baby back ribs, but this is char siu style, so it's more of like Asian flavors. There's oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, honey. So I marinated this for about 24 hours, and I'm debating if I should cook it right now because it's about to rain in a couple hours. And if I'm hitting the barbecuer, I don't want to get rained on. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, let it get room temperature so it cooks evenly. And we're gonna see how this turns out. If you're Vietnamese, you already know what this is, but I made sung ram last week, which is pretty much like a caramelized rib, and it was so good. If y'all want to get some cooking videos or something, you just want to see the Asian flavors come together, let me know. I'll do some cooking stuff on this channel. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get some work done. I'm excited to see how those ribs turn out. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I don't know, it might, ooh, but we'll see. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. It's basically room temperature now. Sat out for about maybe 25-ish minutes. So I'm gonna grill outside here by the pool. I don't think anybody's using it because I think I'm the only maniac that is willing to grill out here on a potential chance of it raining. Just smelling this reminds me of summertime. I miss summer. All right, so I'm basically waiting for this to hit 350, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the ribs on. So while that waits, let's go ahead and check out the pool, see if anybody's out here, because there's no way. There's no freaking way. Yep. Just as I expected. It's just me out here. The hot tub low-key looks nice, though. The hot tub is nice and clean, and it's steaming. Shoot, I might have to come out here a little more often. It's pretty cool because outside here they have a pool table, which is not covered. This is probably not good for the pool table to get wet. Basically, I'm cooking it on the bone first. So we're waiting for it to get like that nice char right there. We need it more burnt though. If only y'all could smell this right now. This smells so good. We're looking for that like nice kind of burnt, charred look on this one. So I'm just making sure to watch these, make sure they don't overburn, but we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. It smells amazing. All right, we're basically done here. Look at that. Oh my God, this looks so good. I think when you're cooking bones, you're looking for that bone to kind of protrude. I'm salivating. This looks so good. And when you're cooking this, supposedly you're looking for that burnt kind of grill mark all over the meat, which is what I try to do. I try to get every single part of it. So it's like that on both sides. I'm just gonna take one of these pieces right here because I got to dip in a little bit. So let me see, I'm gonna take this piece. You gotta do the taste test on the channel. Look at that. Look at how juicy that thing looks. Ooh! All right, let's do it. Oh my God. These burnt parts, you would think that it would taste really bitter. It tastes really good. It would probably taste even better if it was on a charcoal grill, but we just work with what we got. This kind of just turned into a little food video without even trying to be one. So I'm heading to my parents' crib right now because I got them some. So I want to make sure they try this out too. Feeling good. It's a little rainy. It's gonna start raining in a little bit, but I'm glad I got that done. And I'm glad it came out amazing. We're back at home now and I'm about to use this new Swiffer that I got gifted. Shout out to Miss Angie, David's girlfriend, for getting me this. Look at this. So cool. So cool. Pew, 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 pew. This is so helpful. I had the older Swiffer that you just, you change the pads. It didn't like squirt any juices out like this. And that thing would take forever. But this, oh my God, makes my life so much easier. Let's go. I like gifts like this. This is like useful, So I'm just gonna go around the entire crib and basically just Swiffer this thing.
The next day.
Okay, vlog. Following day now, we got some nice and bussin' chicken wings. Barbecued in the rain. Look at this, looks so good.